I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in with your Google account so Blogger can link hosts and editors. Once signed in, click Create New Blog and enter a clear title and a concise address. This is your permanent Blogspot. Com URL. Make a quick template pick now so your layout exists, and open settings to choose language and privacy, visible versus private. This gets you into the platform fast. After that, make sure to verify your email and enable two-step security to protect the blog. You should now create your first post using the post editor, add a strong title, and write the body in Compose or switch to HTML for custom markup. Once done, insert images and embed a YouTube iframe if needed, then set a custom permalink and a search description to help discoverability. Make sure to apply labels for organization. Next, open Layout to add gadgets and create static pages. Adjust comment settings and use scheduling to publish at optimal times for your audience. You're ready to publish. Hit publish and immediately preview on mobile and desktop to confirm formatting. Once live, connect a custom domain in settings if you prefer a branded URL and enable HTTPS for secure access. Promote posts via social links and RSS. Use labels and pages to guide readers. If something breaks, first clear your browser cache and resave the template. If the domain won't map, recheck DNS records and verify ownership, then reapply settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.